Today I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to claim your PAWS token to your Bybit exchange or your Bitget exchange. But before I proceed, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and then hit the notification button to receive an alert about each and every single video that I will be uploading to this channel. And also don't forget to like the video and then comment down below. So first of all, you need to visit the PAWS website in your Phantom wallet or in your browser, and then when you're on the page you see something like this. Now over here you see on the tab over here they say TG dashboard. You go ahead and then click on that, and then you choose any of the 3 methods to verify your account and then be able to log in. So in this case I'm going to be using the Phantom wallet to log in into my accounts, because that was what I connected to the PAWS mini app in the Telegram. So I'll confirm this, and then once it is confirmed I will automatically be logged into my account. I've successfully been logged into our account, and you can see over here I have a total balance of 412,000 PAWS during the airdrop time. So for me to be able to claim this my PAWS into my Bybit exchange, I'll go ahead and then click on the next button over here, and you can see I have a total allocation of 4,946.38 PAWS. So you can see that the claim button is activated. You go ahead and then click on the claim button, and then you accept their terms and conditions and click on the continue button, and you'll be redirected to another page again. So on this page you'll be asked to choose your withdrawal options, which is the on-chain withdrawal and then the centralized exchanges. But with the centralized exchanges you will be charged a withdrawal fee of 3% before the tokens will get sent to your exchanges. But if you don't want that 3% fee to be applied to your withdrawal, then you have to wait till the 18th of this March to be able to withdraw to your Solana wallet or any other Solana wallet. So because of this video I'm going to be using the centralized exchanges, and then I'll be choosing the Bybit. You can go ahead and then choose the Bitget as well. That is, if you have multiple accounts, you can use the 2 exchanges to claim your PAWS token. So in this video I'm going to be using the Bitget, the Bybit wallet rather. So over here they're asking us whether if you have a Bybit account. Yes, I do. And then from here you need to go back to your Bybit app and then log in into your account and get your UID. And then you go back to your asset and then click on deposit, then deposit crypto. Then from there you go to the search bar and then search for PAWS. Make sure it has the PAWS logo, and then its network is on the Solana network. And then from here you copy your PAWS wallet address and then go back to your PAWS website in your Phantom wallet or in your browser, and then paste the Bybit UID over here. So this is the Bybit UID, and then I'll paste the deposit address. But make sure to cross check to avoid any errors, so that your PAWS tokens won't get lost. So once you've cross checked and then you are sure that everything is correct, you go ahead and then click on the continue button, and then they'll ask you again to check if your data is correct, and you click on continue, and then the last step to confirm your withdrawal, and it is done. Your withdrawal will be sent to your Bybit exchange before the 18th of this month. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Make sure to like the video if you found this interesting, and also comment down your thoughts on the listing prices of this PAWS airdrop.